My name is Leo West. I am the teacher consultant for Indigenous education and the equity scan for the Richmond School District. In honor of National Truth and Reconciliation Day, schools across the district have engaged in activities to show their appreciation and understanding of Indigenous history. For example, we invited the Coastal Wolfpack to Blundell School to present to the students and staff their culture. They danced and they sung and they explained what that meant to them and what the Truth and Reconciliation Day meant to them and their families.
I'm Ayala Johnson-Jensen. I'm grade 4 and I'm a part of Coastal Wolfpack. This day is important to me because I can share my culture with my school. I think my friends were very surprised. I never told them that I had a dance group. My family was excited to perform for all the students. I was happy to share the stick game with my friends. The stick game is 2 sticks in my hands. One's marked, one's not marked. The marked one is the male and the non-marked one is the female. I take them in my hands and I shuffle them to try to guess which one is the right one. The one that's right is the non-marked one. After the performance, my friends were very excited to ask me questions.
Hi, my name is Ashley. I'm a grade 5 from Blundell Elementary School. International Truth and Reconciliation means a lot to me because it honors the survivors of residential schools who were traumatized by all of that loss. I had no idea that my classmates were performance before the actual performance, and it meant a lot to me because they're showing their true selves and their tradition.
I believe the students in attendance were able to learn a lot from this presentation. They were able to see their peers celebrating their culture. They were able to understand some of the local traditions to the land that they now reside on and have an appreciation for the Indigenous culture that they're learning about. Our district's commitment to truth and reconciliation is helping all our students to honor and learn about our shared history. Moving forward, we know this is important work for the district to continue to prioritize Indigenous perspectives in our student learning.